Hey Tech Fam! Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated devices of 2025, the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra. This isn't just another tablet, it's Samsung's vision for the future of computing, packed with AI features, a revolutionary design, and enough power to potentially replace your laptop. We're going to put this device through its paces to answer the burning question: is this the ultimate Android tablet or just another overpriced slab of glass and metal? Stick around because this might just change how you think about tablets forever. Let's start with the unboxing experience. Inside the box, you get the tablet itself, the redesigned S Pen, a USB Type-C cable, and some documentation. Note that there's no charger included, which is becoming standard these days but still worth mentioning. Now, let's talk about these first impressions. When I first held the Tab S11 Ultra, I was immediately struck by how incredibly thin it is, just 5.1mm thick, making it Samsung's slimmest tablet ever. Despite its massive 14.6-inch display, it weighs just 692 grams for the Wi-Fi model, which is surprisingly manageable. The build quality is absolutely premium with its aluminum frame and back, and it comes in two colors: Moonstone Grey and Platinum Silver. Samsung has also included IP68 dust and water resistance, still a rarity in the tablet market, meaning it can survive immersion in up to 1.5 meters of water for 30 minutes. One noticeable design change from previous models is the removal of the wireless charging slot for the S Pen, which contributes to that incredibly slim profile. The S Pen now charges magnetically on the side of the tablet. Now let's talk about what might be the Tab S11 Ultra's most impressive feature: its 14.6-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. The numbers are staggering: 2960 by 1848 resolution, 120Hz adaptive refresh rate, and support for HDR10+. But what really sets this display apart is its peak brightness of 1600 nits with high brightness mode delivering 1000 nits. This makes it easily visible even in direct sunlight, which I tested here outdoors. The anti-reflection coating is significantly improved over the Tab S10 series, reducing glare by up to 40% in my testing. Content consumption on this device is nothing short of breathtaking, whether you're watching movies, playing games, or editing photos. I ran this display through our color accuracy tests, and it covers 100% of the DCI-P3 color space and 96% of Adobe RGB, making it not just great for consumption but also for serious creative work. The 120Hz refresh rate makes everything from scrolling to drawing feel incredibly smooth and responsive. Now let's dive under the hood to see what powers this beast. The Tab S11 Ultra is powered by the MediaTek Dimensity 9400 Plus chipset built on a 3nm process, featuring an octa-core CPU with one Cortex-X 925 core clocked at 3.73 GHz, 3 Cortex-X4 cores, and 4 Cortex-A72 cores. It's paired with the Immortalis G 925 GPU for graphics processing. In our benchmark tests, the Dimensity 9400 Plus performs remarkably well, going head-to-head with Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite. In Geekbench 6, it scored, but benchmarks only tell part of the story. In real-world use, this tablet is an absolute multitasking monster. With 12GB or 16GB of RAM options, I had over 15 apps open simultaneously without any noticeable slowdown. For gaming, this thing handles everything you can throw at it. I tested Genshin Impact at maximum settings, and it maintained a steady 60 frames per second without thermal throttling. The quad speakers tuned by AKG provide immersive audio that matches the visual experience. Storage options include 256GB, 512GB, or 1TB, all using UFS technology, and there's a microSD slot that supports up to 2TB additional storage. The Tab S11 Ultra runs Android 16 with Samsung's One UI 8 out of the box, but the real story here is the implementation of Galaxy AI throughout the experience. One of the standout AI features is Gemini Live, which allows you to have real-time conversations with Google's AI assistant about what you're seeing on screen or through the camera. For example, you can screen share your notes and ask Gemini to explain concepts or interpret charts. For productivity, Note Assist can automatically summarize meeting notes, and Writing Assist helps refine your writing style and fix errors. Drawing Assist is particularly impressive for creatives. It can turn rough sketches into polished images in seconds. Samsung promises 7 years of Android OS upgrades and security updates, which is unprecedented in the Android tablet space and matches Google's Pixel update policy. The S Pen has been completely redesigned for the Tab S11 series and it comes included in the box. The new hexagonal design makes it feel more like a traditional pencil and it's significantly more comfortable to hold for extended periods. The cone-shaped nib supports increased tilt angles for better control when drawing or sketching. The latency is improved from previous generations. It's now almost imperceptible. Writing and drawing feel natural, much like pen on paper. However, there is one significant downgrade: the removal of Bluetooth Low Energy BLE support. This means you can no longer use the S Pen as a remote control for presentations or camera shutter, which was a handy feature on previous models. This might be a deal breaker for some users. On the positive side, the Quick Tools menu is more accessible than ever, letting you quickly adjust settings like pen thickness, color, and favorites without interrupting your workflow. Let's be honest, nobody buys a tablet primarily for its cameras, but Samsung has included capable shooters nonetheless. Around the back, there's a dual camera setup, a 13-megapixel main sensor, and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide. The image quality is decent for a tablet, good enough for document scanning or occasional snaps, and here's some photos example of 13-megapixel main camera. On the front, there's a single 12-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a downgrade from the dual front cameras on the Tab S10 Ultra, but it still captures good quality video calls with a wide field of view that works well for group calls. Both cameras can record 4K video at 30 frames per second, and the rear camera has an LED flash, which is handy for scanning documents in low light. Powering the Tab S11 Ultra is a massive 11,600 mAh battery, which Samsung claims provides up to 23 hours of video playback. In our standardized battery test with screen brightness at 50%, we got 15 hours of web browsing, 14 hours of video playback, 8 hours of gaming, 21 hours of mixed use. These are impressive numbers that should get most users through a full day of heavy use. When it's time to recharge, the Tab S11 Ultra supports 45-watt wired charging, which takes approximately 96 minutes to go from 0 to 100%. Unfortunately, there's no wireless charging support. Now let's talk about the elephant in the room: price. Tab S11 Ultra Wi-Fi 256GB, $1,199. Tab S11 Ultra 5G 256GB, $1,349. Tab S11 Ultra 1TB, $1,619. Book cover keyboard, slim, approximately $199. So, what's the final verdict on the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra? Pros: 1. Best-in-class display with incredible brightness. 2. Powerful performance across all tasks. 3. Innovative AI features enhance productivity. 4. Redesigned S Pen included. 5. Excellent battery life. 6. IP68 rating for water and dust resistance. 7 years of software updates. Cons: 1. Extremely expensive. 2. S Pen lost Bluetooth functionality. 3. Keyboard accessory sold separately. 4. Android still has app optimization issues. 5. No charger included in box. The Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra is without question the most advanced Android tablet ever made. It pushes the boundaries of what a tablet can do with its stunning display, powerful performance, and innovative AI features. However, that excellence comes at a premium price that places it in competition with fully fledged laptops. Additionally, while Android has come a long way on tablets, it still doesn't have the same breadth of optimized apps as iPad OS. If money is no object and you want the absolute best Android tablet experience, the Tab S11 Ultra is easy to recommend. But for most people, the regular Tab S11 or even previous generation models might offer better value. I'm giving the Samsung Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra a 8.5 out of 10. It's technically brilliant but held back by its high price and some of Android's lingering tablet limitations. What do you think about the Galaxy Tab S11 Ultra? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this review, please hit that like button and subscribe for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.